Happy 4th of July. We have a lot of sunshine this morning. Here's a live look at our Honda of Lincoln camera. A few high clouds every now and again, but for the first part of the day, we're going to be mostly sunny. Now, there's a communications issue with the weather observation sensor at Lincoln Airport, so it is collecting data, and as of last check, it's 68 degrees in Lincoln, but it's just not showing up on the map here. 71 in Omaha, 67 in Nebraska City, 67 in Beatrice, 69 in Grand Island, 66 in Kearney, and 69 degrees in Columbus. That's where we start. This afternoon, I think we'll top out near 96 degrees in Lincoln, maybe 97, closer to the Nebraska-Kansas state line. Just about everybody will be dealing with 90s this afternoon. Now, that 96 degrees, that was the actual air temperature, but we will have plenty of humidity. So by 1 o'clock, we should be near 93 degrees, but when you factor in the humidity, we'll have a heat index near 97 degrees. So it already feels like 96 or 97 by lunchtime, and then we continue to climb in temperatures. And when you factor in the humidity, I would not be surprised to see heat indices pushing 100 degrees by peak heating. And again, mostly sunny skies for much of the day, but by evening, storm chances do start to increase just in time for fireworks displays. So the timing's a little unfortunate for that, but we do need the rainfall, and this does offer a decent chance. So cloud cover will be increasing through the evening. Temperatures will fall into the 80s by 8 and 9 o'clock. Mid to upper 70s by 10 o'clock, and storms do look likely by that point. So Stormcast 6 a.m. Dealing with mostly clear skies. I can't completely rule out a spotty shower or two, maybe a rumble of thunder along and north of the interstate this morning and early this afternoon. But really the main event will get going in central Nebraska anywhere from 4 to 7 o'clock. A line of storms will develop from northeast Nebraska going through the Tri-Cities area and then into southwest Nebraska. This will organize very quickly and push into southeast Nebraska. This is Stormcast 10 o'clock. This version shows it knocking on Lincoln's doorstep. Realistically, I think anywhere from 8 to 11 o'clock is fair game for this line of storms to arrive in Lincoln, and it could be on the strong to severe side. Once the initial line passes, a severe weather threat does go down, but we could have some lingering rain into the overnight hours. Speaking of severe weather, I do think the main concern is going to be damaging straight-line winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, maybe in some areas pushing 80 miles per hour. Large hail could also be an issue, especially initially as these storms are getting going in central Nebraska. I don't think we'll be dealing with tornadoes today, and there is a small chance for some flash flooding in some localized pockets, so a decent rain chance this evening. So keep that in mind if you have any outdoor plans for the 4th of July. Rain does look likely this evening. 96 degrees this afternoon, but look at the drop in temperatures heading into Wednesday. 77 degrees. We could have some scattered light rain showers tomorrow. I do think they'll be battling a dry air influence, so not the most impressive rain event tomorrow. Most of what we see will fall tonight, and then we're dry on Thursday, 79 degrees, and we'll introduce some rain chances back into the mix by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.